Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Lorene Plans, and I have purchased a lot of things from her, and I just love her stamps, and I love her customer service, and she seems super sweet. Her communication is awesome, and look at this package. Boom! So exciting, so fun. And her packaging is nice, and I try to reuse as much of it as I can because reduce, reuse, recycle, right? So I can cut this butterfly out and use that in something, and then I can use this bag on something. So it is super exciting. So not everything in here is for me, but I'm getting an early start on some things. Oh, I'm going to open this one first just because it's so cute. Kind of forgotten how I ordered this. So I think that this one is a kit, I think. I could be wrong, but I think it's a kit. So this looks like a kit. And this one is called Butterflies and Blooms, and it is for Easter. And it has the little peeps. Look at the guy with the glasses, and then the bow, and there's a cute little chick. And they're holding little, those look like those little mini, I think they're Cadbury eggs. They're chocolate. Oh my goodness, they're so good. Look at this. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. I want to squeeze his face. And here are some full boxes. And that's probably my favorite little peep that she had. And there's the little girl. It says, "This is my dream. I'll decide where it goes from here." Very cute. And washi and all of the day of the week stickers and the date stickers. Looks like this is even perforated. I'm not sure why it's perforated, but that looks perforated. So maybe you can check that out and use it for others or something. That's kind of neat. And then here are the check boxes, and I love how she makes it transparent on there. Not transparent, but washed out. I don't remember what you call that. And here are some headers. And then there's planning time with the little bunny and laundry and date night. Just cute. So that's awesome. So that's one kit. This is the Easter egg hunt kit. And I love that. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back in this little baggie because I like to kind of keep them like that because then I know that it's all together. So there's that. And then I don't know what went in that bag, but this is really cute. She has a bunch of these, and these are cute for dashboards. And this one says wish list, and it's just a girl drinking coffee, sitting there looking like she might be wrapping presents or looking at the Christmas tree or whatever. And my grandma used to say this to me: "I love you a bushel and a peck and a hug around the neck." And I thought that was really cute, so I got that, and it reminds me of my grandma, so I thought those would be cute to have. And I got some card stickers so I can put these down when I send out cards, which I actually did today, and I'm going to use one in my planner right now. I mailed out some cards. Oh goodness, I need to turn to the right date. I was doing something else. Put that down right there. All right. And then TVs, because I have been watching some shows and I'm really liking them, so I have that. And I think I got a sample pack or something, and that must be what this is. I don't know. And these are some penguins grocery shopping, and some little fox that are running on the treadmill, and he's doing the dishes, and it's payday. The little dog is grocery shopping, and the little penguin looks like she's mad at her laptop. Ooh, look at this white fox. I don't think I've seen him before. And he's sleeping. And then I love these samples. This is the cat sampler. And all sorts of fun things on that. Really, really cute. And then looks like my big pack. All right. She put happy birthday on there, which is so sweet. She may have even sent me some extras because she's awfully good about doing that. She's a stinker. So let's see. Card, reminder, the retro TV, a character grab bag that was for teachers. So that's next. Oh, this is that. Oh, this is cool. So this is for Katie. I'm going to put this in her graduation present. I'll do a video of that later, but she doesn't graduate until next year. But it was a grab bag and it just said teacher, and it was only $3, so I thought it would be fun. So this one says lesson plan, and then there's field trip and grade papers, 2 of those, late start. These are awesome. And report cards, lesson plans, field trip, and some cute little school icons, library day, and book fair. Those are adorable. And then grade papers in foil. So that's really cute. I'm gonna put them together. I know that there were 2 lesson plans ones, and I think there were 2 field trip ones. Yes. So I'll put those together like that. And I am going to put all of these back in here. And these are going to my daughter, who is going to be an elementary school teacher. So this will be perfect for her. And her graduation present is, I'm not going to say it on this just because I don't know if she's going to watch or not. So she'll get this graduation. And then the next thing was the Easter egg vertical planner sticker kit, perfect for the Erin Condren, so that's what you already saw. And then I got a plastic sticker wallet in navy, so that's this. And these are only $1.95. So she has several colors, and I don't know if you guys have seen these, but let me go ahead and open this one so you can see. You open it, and actually I think she gave me a leather one. Oh my goodness. It said plastic, but this is definitely not plastic. I don't think. It could be. I'm clueless. It smells like leather though, but I don't know. I don't know. It's neat either way. And then her little stickers, and I'll show you, will fit in here. Like here's one. And they will stick right in here. So you can have a little storage spot for all of your stickers. So I thought that was really cute. So I have that. And then Merry Little Christmas, I showed you that. And Winter Girls, I ordered 3 of these because I have something for them. And I just thought they were super cute. These are the large stickers, and they're just Winter Girls. And you can see all of them. So that's them. And I'm going to turn the page. And then I got a character grab bag, animal theme, which I think is what this one was. I think that this was my grab bag, the animal theme. Super cute. So there's all of those. And then I got a fall sticker wallet, which is, I think, this one. So I got an orange sticker wallet, and then all of these fall cutie stickers to go inside. And looks like some of these these, yeah. So some of these unfold like this. So this one says sweater weather. There's all different stickers here. Super cute. And then here is a Halloween one. And it unfolds as well. And this one unfolds. Fall leaves. And this one's adorable with the little fall critters. Pumpkin kisses, all the leaves, and then, oh, cute little animals. I love it, love it. So those are probably all of the fold-out kits, and then this one is the singles, I would imagine. So it has applesauce, apple, like just go into the apple orchard, some cute fall icons, leaves, acorns, drink pumpkin spice latte, eat candy corn, visit apple orchard, drink apple cider, make applesauce, eat a candy apple, decorate the house for fall, eat cider apple donuts or cider donuts, carve a pumpkin, dress up for Halloween, visit the pumpkin patch, go on a hayride, drive to see fall leaves, play in the leaves, burn fall candles, visit haunted house, enjoy a bonfire. And then there's some cute sweater weathery type things. These are so cute. Oh, I love this one too. All the different pumpkin things. And candles and football game day. Some leaf checklist. A bonfire is basically a country girl nightclub. I love bonfires. Oh, here's all these owls looking cute. And all these cats looking extra cute. And one more day till Halloween. The countdown. Trick or treat. And then this one says official holiday taste tester. And this one says the same. So there's a dog and a cat. Those are so cute. And some fall yummies. And look at these turkeys. And there we go. So that is everything for the fall kit, which is super cute. I'm smiling for real looking at these because they are adorable. And then I got a student grab bag, mini planner stickers. That might be this one. I don't know. Can't tell if this is a student one or not. So I have a student grab bag, mini planner stickers, and it says the Gabby bundle. And then I have another one, and I don't know if this is them or not. No, this is them. See, she's silly. She does all of this stuff. And then I did the mini sticker kit. So I have a sticker wallet, and then 15 pieces, so I think that that's what this is. And then these are extras that she just included because she's so nice. So I got this student one for Katie. And so I made it kind of look like her, my daughter. Excuse me. Homework, read, paper due, final exam, study, test, all-nighter, project due, midterm exam, no school, and study. And these are all homework ones. Presentation, paper due, read, study, midterm exam and final exam, and project due, test, no school, all-nighter, study, and then this is one of each. I think I may have shown that one already. So that's really cute. So I think, I don't know. This one says Purge, list on eBay, garage sale day, charity. Here's pool penguins. Here's a sloth doing yoga. Oh my goodness, and a dog doing yoga. And a dog on the treadmill. And a little girl cooking. And a backpack. And a dog eating pizza. Some weather stickers. And some more weather stickers. Sweep the front entry. And happy birthday. And then it says, enjoy this sampler. And it's the sloth, and he's doing all different things. Super cute. Super, super cute. And then finally, I have this bundle. And this looks like a mom doing laundry. She's not very happy about it. I can relate to that. And here's a little guy reading. Oh my goodness, and a little girl crafting. And a little sloth that looks like he fell asleep in the trash can. And here is the sloth exercising. And he's either organizing or giving things away to Goodwill or just packing up. You can use it for any of those. Or whatever else you might think of. Cute cupcakes. And these are fun to list a birthday on and put whoever's birthday it is on there. And here's the sloth. It looks like he's supposed to be studying, but he fell asleep. And road trip. And filming. And pup thing. And here she is doing all sorts of things. Counting sheep, a coffee, a date, all those things. And what is this? Trying to figure out what it says and I can't read it. I have no idea what these are. Looks like an old transistor radio, but I'm sure that that's not what that is. So if you guys know what this is, let me know. Is that a microwave maybe? I don't know what that is. I wish I could read it. It has words on it, but I cannot see it. I have no idea. These say pool day and pool time. Clean under the kitchen sink. Clean under the bathroom sink. Oh, I guess they're all bathroom sink. Oh, these are cute. You can color them. Coffee time. Sweep the front entry. Happy Mail, which I could put on for today for getting this. And here she is reading. And cleaning stickers. So super cute. My goodness, I got a lot of goodies. Oh, I'm excited. Now I need to do a planner. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you have a wonderful day. And check out Lisa Lorene Plans. You will not be disappointed. She has super fast shipping. She's a great communicator, and she has really nice stickers. So buy all the stuffs. Thanks. Bye-bye.